So Tikki, I'm now make you gone for prep, y'all. You found the boy already, you're not gone 1 week yet. Tikki, you
Girl,
can console your pay.
girl, America, this girl, you have to take prep as long as you know, so if you want it on the safe
But you're
side.
not even 1 week already, you're gone
Just
for
like how
prep.
you have, just like how me have, I mean, I breed, same as out Southside. So wait, no.
You
Me
cuss,
don't
you
know
have
if
a
you
cuss
go
me,
there. Let me
Tikki.
talk, no, let me talk, no,
You
Kevin,
cuss,
let me
you have a
talk.
cuss me.
Let me talk, no, Mickey, let me talk.
Yeah.
Just like how if you go there, me don't know if you can go give me some, you have to go on the safe side, so no do me. So
The
wait,
pipe
let
still
me
remain
talk.
here.
Jesus Christ. Me have only 4 minutes must reach at the hospital. Blood clot. Why? Only 4 minutes. No. I'm only 4 minutes to them. Jesus Christ. 2 more minutes. Almighty God. Oh. Me there right there, guys. Oh God. The bills. See the bills on my bosom. See the bills here. Hey, you like something if you dash that baby. Oh my clot. Why? Well, I'm here, guys. Feel like me have faint. That's why I'm in a fight, I'm in a running. When I'm tired, they act up. Come faster. Open the elevator. Boom. Boom. Yes, miss.
Okay, just take a seat, okay?
Okay, I also want a pregnancy test. Can I have a pregnancy test?
You need a pregnancy test?
Yeah.
Ask them when you go to the back.
Okay, where's the bag?
When they call you, ask them.
Okay, no problem. I have unpredictable sticks. We have unpredictable sex. Want us pregnancy test. Do a pregnancy test if me gone. Come on, if mustache of the belly. I'm wrong. We have unpredictable sex, you know. You see how for me run come for dash of the belly. Me no want to keep her. I keep him. I could give him name. If a boy we name him Chevatan. If a girl we name him Tikki. If a girl we name him Tikki. If a girl we name him Chevatan. Lord, didn't take long to call me though. I did say 420. And give me $100 sweep me. So much godmother this a baby you have. Then when the brown boy sacrifice me, give me rat pies now make it dissolve in me and me keep the bucket. Who go take the baby? Cause everybody say they want to be godmother. Me keep a baby shower soon.
My name is Maria. I'm one of the medical assistants.
My name is
We're
Rick
gonna be
Russell.
there in Dubai, okay?
Okay.
Let's step on.
How much I weigh?
207.
Jesus. Let me put on back weight again.
Okay, I'm gonna need you to hang up your phone, please.
Okay. I'm gonna hang it up. Can I have a pregnancy test? Got done?
Huh?
Can I have a pregnancy test?
We can talk to the doctor, okay?
Okay.
Because they put you for something else here.
Yeah, for me to go and prep. But I was running down the street and I have unpredictable sex last week, so I feel something in my belly moving like a baby. So I want to get a pregnancy
can you please
test.
hang up your phone? You have
Okay, guys, me so come back. Me so come back, shot. Okay, like 30 minutes time. Me so come.
I'm sorry, we can.